And action! Hi team, it's Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Today I want to try and inspire you with a couple of ideas if you're going to be testing this fall. Think of these as sort of thoughts, words of wisdom. Take them, use them to help motivate you to pass the exams, okay? Let's take a look at the first few. Let's go. In your classrooms, do you have little angels that make you happy? I mean, it makes it all worth it, right? So that is definitely priority number one. I get it. But who also agrees that priority number two, you're taking this test maybe because you have to get to secure a job, get a job, or graduate from school? Who's in that spot? Priority number two. You're taking this not just for the kids, but you got to get your job, secure a job, and also, maybe get into grad school. I want to show you this graph here. These are jobs in the US. And what's the pattern? What's the pattern of jobs? Those jobs are going down. Who sees that pattern? Right? And all this stuff here that you're seeing, this is a negative. This means that there were negative jobs. And these probably will be revised down. And so by the time we get to, let's say, May of 2026, it's probably going to look pretty bad. Do you understand? So what am I getting at? I guess we're in a really tricky time right now. And when you see jobs go down like this, okay, it means that you have to pass these exams. You need to pass these exams, okay? You need to pass these exams. Yes? Can I get a yes? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, I want you to give them a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. Check out a class. Tell a friend. I'll see you there. Take care, team. Bye-bye.